It's Tech Lid, and we're bullish. The stampede is coming, baby. In this video, we will be talking about the cryptocurrency XRP. At the current time of the video, XRP is currently trading at 79 cents. Of course, depending on when you see this, the price could be higher or lower for the cryptocurrency. For today's video, we're going to take a look here at a tweet from the Crypto Bull 2020. XRP update. Based on the data provided to us in this bull run, I am expecting XRP price around $6 by mid-August of 2021. He has 3 price points here in the chart, as you could see in the picture. 75 cents. And then the next range is $1.96, and then finally that last range, $5.96. XRP at one point did cross that 75 cents threshold. Of course, the current price at 79 actually looks like we could be headed down to 75 cents again. XRP at one point did cross 196. That's actually the high that it reached for the year before it went kind of tumbling back down slowly over time. As for that last price point of $5.96, here's the thing with that. Towards the end of the bull run, I actually think that this is realistic and quite possible in all reality. It seems like a far way off, but here's the thing. A lot of factors are keeping the price of XRP down right now. The lawsuit between Ripple, XRP, and the whole SEC thing, this is not helping the price at all. The reality is that the price, in my opinion, it is actually a lot higher than it should be because of all the negativity that the case has caused. So I think the XRP is actually in an outstanding position. So $6 at the end of this bull run, I think it's quite possible. I would say anywhere between $5 and $10, even though I'm realistically leaning more towards that $5 mark. The reason I would say between 5 and 10 is because, as you know, FOMO is a real thing. And a lot of people, once the price gets towards $5, they're going to say, oh my goodness, you know what? XRP could actually go higher. It could inch towards that $10 mark and beyond. So there will be a lot of FUD. Here's the thing where I don't agree with the Crypto Bull 2020. The thing that I don't agree about is the time frame. The Crypto Bull has this set up for August. He thinks that it could hit $6 by August. Here's the thing. I don't see it happening. Not in August. Do I think that XRP could reach $6? As I said, yes, I truly, firmly believe this. But not in August. If anything, I would say maybe towards the end of the year. But of course, this is cryptocurrency, and you know what? You never know what is gonna happen. That's really the truth. This thing could blast off at any point, but August kind of seems close. What I could see around August is maybe a higher price from where we are now. Well over the dollar mark, but not quite around 6. This is just my take on it. A lot of people know the Crypto Bull 2020 to be a super optimistic Twitter account. You know, on social media, this guy is definitely an optimistic, hopeful type of guy. I like to look at things from a realistic perspective. But all in all, I think that this tweet from Crypto Bull 2020 was a lot more realistic of a take than many of his other tweets. Let me know what you guys think down below in that comment section. Do you think that XRP could see $6 by August? Or is the Crypto Bull 2020 just tripping on something? Oh yeah, just a quick disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. Always make sure to do your own due diligence and research when you invest in any type of market. When you do the homework and you do the research, you will come out winning. Bank on it. If you enjoyed the video, give it a big thumbs up. If you didn't like the video, give it a thumbs down. Don't matter to me. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell. Once again, until the next time, peace and love.